Hello guys, hello everybody. Today I would like to write a short video, short review how to make extra money on cryptocurrency, extra income if you would like, and just you have interest, just stay up to the end of this video guys, okay? First of all, I would like to show just a gambling which are making on cryptocurrency. That's actually on smart contract, making on smart contract of the cryptocurrency Tron. How to play it actually. First of all, you need to have a Tron link using by the smart contract. You download, it's very easy to download from internet just by the Google Chrome browser, yeah, and just on the right corner, on the top of the right corner, you will have that Tron link. You just make, yeah, just actually that's a Tron wallet for cryptocurrency, yeah. And after, just that's going to be automatically show how much balance you have in there, and that's actually how look the first gambling on the Tron. That's not Tronbet. That's actually, we have actually 3 games like dice, moon, ring, and so yeah, you stayed on the bottom in there. Just state a minimum state, I think so is the, we'll see now, I think so, yeah, minimum is the tenner, and just after you bet on, and just if you win you back 4 extra Tron, yeah. And that's how to look everybody now fly on the moon, and you press the button and you're gonna be fixed. For example, yeah, now is the start flying. 1 second, I think so. Yeah, you see the moon flying, and just it's over, only 1.04. If you didn't press before that, you lose your money. If you press, yeah, on 1 second, actually you make x1. I think so will be return maybe 10, 15 Trons or whatever, like, yeah, 14 Trons. So that's how to look the gambling games, guys. Most people is playing on, I think so, on the dice. You just pressing up and lower, just you are press the bet in there. I think so the minimum is the bet is the I think so is the, yeah, I think so 100 or something, yeah. You see this guys that says pressing, yeah, and yeah, choose the Tron currency, and after that with the rolls you get dividends, actually dividends of the ant coin. Yeah, after that you're gonna be freeze or just move this token or just freeze, and you're gonna be get extra Trons as well every 24 hours. If you doesn't want to just keep it these tokens, now it's like I think so, yeah, 2320 spin, it gives 1 ant, yeah. For example, if you doesn't want to be just keep these tokens, you go straight away on exchange, and that's most of the currencies which are the making on a smart contract of the Tron token, yeah. Yeah, you see that's the ant you will find, and just you're gonna be selling, yeah, the last price 1 ant cost is the 20. If you are selling, I think so that's the last price is the 22.3 Tron. If you are buying, it's 30 point, yeah, it's 30.7. No, it's the last price here. So it's always go up and down. So that's actually how to make extra income in there. Another things you have just if you press an error, just we go on the refer links, refer. You're just gonna be refer. Yeah, you're gonna be make your refer. You just write, for example, your name or something, and that's gonna be your refer link. To make this refer link is gonna be cost 1 Tron token, yeah. It's not a bad, like, so it's very similar, but so it's very interesting. So people, you see this, so most people the make is state in there and like just winning or losing. The red color is the lose, the green one is the win, and so it's, I think so, look, it looks so awesome, and so many people now is this staying on that and just make some extra income. The second one is the best one. It's not the best one, but so the minute I think so one of the popular is that 38tron.com. All links I will be leave down below this video, guys. That's actually similar things, the tokens on the Tron smart contract. That's a gambling game. First of all, that's dice, but dice is the making on the just yeah, you see guys, for example, if we are state, the minimum state I think so is the 50. Yeah, if we put a 50 in there, just you'll see, yeah, we put on the 3, that's on the card 3 or 2. No, it's lower or upper, and we're gonna be lose, and we're gonna be see how much we, if we have, for example, draw over, if the card gonna be over, then this one we return 55. So if we put on 5, you see, so the state is actually, we're gonna be changing the state, and actually if we win, if we, our card will be upper than 6, we'll win. If we will be lower, we lose. But we're gonna be change the state in there, draw over, under, or just draw exact. You see guys, but I usually use on the draw over, and so I'm just playing. What's on our the second game is a Gear of Fortune, so it's very simple I think. So yeah, you're gonna be state as well, you're gonna be state, the minimum state is the 50 Trons. So it's like, yeah, just you just gonna be press the numbers I think so, and if you win, just you make x2, x5, x10. So it's actually awesome, yeah. If you state yeah, if you state 50 and just for example you put x10, but it's very hard to win as well, it's not that easy. Next one is the crypto slots, just yeah, crypto slot, just playing think so, spin, yeah, spin the machine, accept. So yeah, it's more lines, yeah, so yeah, maximum is 10 lines as usual, and the max, I think so, the minimum state is the 10, or no, is the 50 as well. So it's actually look something like that. Yeah, there is a different token. That's actually the call is the token A388. Yeah, for the spinning, to get one token we need to be spin 890 Trons. It doesn't matter win or lose, and after that we getting one token 888. Yeah, after we're gonna be it's gonna be staying there. We press on the withdraw, after we press on freeze. If we want to be investment, just we put just in there, freeze, and all tokens moved in there. For the things for the last 24 hours it gives like 179 tokens, but it's not much, but it's something. What else guys? So if you want, so yeah, that's gonna be, there is gonna be referral links as well. You're gonna be add your, just make your referral link for, so to make your referral link is gonna be cost 888 tokens, 8 Trons, and so after that you're gonna be just share with your referral link with your friends, and so after that when your friends gonna be buying, selling, on playing in the gambling games, you're gonna get a little fee, but so something like that. So guys, if you like this video, just press your thumbs up or down. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye, good luck.